Few days ago, I found great mod, and I'll show you how to get it on your device. As you can see, I have almost nothing. Okay, let's do this. Go to the website that I'm showing now. Firstly, enter your username and select device that you're playing. Secondly, choose the amount of resources that you need and click Generate. At this moment, you can simply relax and wait while the tool processes your request. And now, to finish the whole process, you'll need to complete 2 offers. Let me do this and show it for you. It's very easy, but you must remember to follow the instructions from each offer. I'll install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Remember that you don't need to start any trial or subscription if that's not required. Once everything's complete, you can restart the game. Congratulations! Now you can see your resources growing up. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.